Hello. Now I'm going to show you how to use the RGB LED with the Raspberry Pi. Now we know that there's the longest pin that's going to go to the ground or the negative terminal, uh, whatever source you're using. So when I pull the RGB out in this, I'm just going to leave it like they're all the same, even though we'll pretend we'll know that this one is longer. So let's rotate this around. And first I'm going to throw this in anywhere. And you can see you have the green ones light up, showing that those connect in. All right, and now we need to find three places where we can connect. Well, we can have GPIO21 connect here. The next one is GPIO20 connect there. Notice I'm skipping the one that's the long one. And then the next one, GPIO 16, we can do the top one. Now we can pick any ground. I am going to pick this ground right here to come down, and I could pick any of them. I'd put it there, but then it would be hard to see that those are connected. So I'm just going to come and put it there. And that's going to connect with the long pin. I don't know if that lined up perfectly. Hopefully. Um, so that's all the wiring that we need for this one. Sometimes we might, if we might need a resistor, but I think that should be good for the RGB LEDs that we bought. So now, what we have to do is type in from GPIO 0, import RGB LED, and then we'll have to say, let's say all for all colors as RGB LED, and now we have three numbers that we have to deal with. Now, if we look at our chart, the three numbers were 21, 20, and 16. So 21, 20, and 16. Now what we have to do is just say all.color, and then we have to set the values. If I have 1, 1, 0, that means this one gets full power, not full power. And then run that and see how it lights it up. And now change these numbers. You can do 1, 0, 1. Run that and see how that works. And then change these to halves and modify all three of these numbers and see how it changes the colors of the RGB LED.